Today we will go through the procedure to help students hear and record sounds and words. These activities happen in sequence and begin with a simple syllable exercise to help students hear big chunks of sounds and words. I will demonstrate for the student how to clap out the syllables, and then I will have him clap the syllables on his own. We will start with 2-syllable words, move on to 1-syllable words, and then end with 3-syllable words. So I want you to watch as I clap out the syllables in the word carrot. Carrot. Can you clap out the syllables in carrot?
Yes. Carrot.
Apple.
Apple.
Table.
Table.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Sit.
Sit.
Chair.
Chair.
Dog.
Dog.
Light.
Light.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
After the student is comfortable clapping out syllables and words, we are ready to move on to hearing sounds and words. I have picture cards that contain pictures with 2 sounds or phonemes, 3 sounds, and 4 sounds. I will pick a picture card and say the word slowly so that the child can hear all of the sounds in the words. I want you to listen as I say this word slowly. Bat. Can you say that word slowly?
Yes. Bat.
Okay. I want you to watch my mouth as I say this next word. Net.
Net.
I'm going to hold up a mirror to your mouth so you can see what your mouth looks like when you say the word net.
Net.
Did you watch your mouth as you said that word?
Yes.
Okay. Say this word slowly.
Leaf. Key. Boy. Up.
Okay. And we also can do words that have 4 sounds in them.
Truck. Jump. Cloud.
Okay. So after the student is comfortable hearing sounds and words, we are ready for sound boxes or Elkonin boxes. These boxes are used for phonemic analysis, and they also provide a visual model for the student. So as they say the word, they can watch as they push the pennies into each box for each sound. So I will use pennies as the counters. And my first Elkonin box has 3 boxes for 3 sounds. I'm going to demonstrate for the student first. Okay, I want you to watch as I push a penny into each box for the word cat. Cat. Now, I want you to say the word cat slowly as I push the pennies into the box.
Cat.
Okay? Now, I'm going to say the word slowly as you push the pennies into the box. Cat. Okay? Now I want you to do this next word on your own. Sit.
Sit.
Okay? And we can also do this for words that have 2 sounds. B.
B. B.
Okay? And we can do this for words that have 4 sounds. Jump.
Jump.
Okay. So once the student is ready to move on from this activity, we're ready to have him identify the sounds that he hears in the words. So for this activity, the student is going to have a workbook, and I'm actually going to draw the Elkonin boxes for the student, and he's going to use a pencil. So to start off this activity, I'm going to make an Elkinen box with 3 boxes. And to start, we're going to use pennies. Eventually, we're going to stop using the pennies, but to start, we're going to use the pennies. Okay? Okay. Okay, I want you to push the pennies for the word map.
Map.
Okay. Is there a sound in the word map that you hear? Okay. Do you know what letter that is?
P.
Do you know how to write that letter?
Yes.
And do you know where that letter will go? Can you point to the box where that letter will go? Good. Go ahead and write the letter P in that box. Okay? Let's do that word again.
Map.
Is there another sound that you hear in that word? And do you know what letter that is?
M.
Do you know how to make that letter?
Yes.
And do you know what box that letter will go in?
That one.
Okay? Okay. Let's do this one more time.
Map.
Is there another sound that you hear? Okay. Do you know what letter that is?
No.
Okay. That is the letter A. A is the letter A. And I'm going to go ahead and write that in for you. It's okay if a student doesn't know a letter or a sound. It's okay for the teacher to write in the sound or letter that he doesn't know. Okay? Then, as we move on, instead of using pennies, we want the student to use his finger to say the sounds in the word. Okay? So the word hat, I want you to put your finger and touch the box for each sound for hat.
Hat.
Okay, can you do that one more time?
Hat.
Okay, good job. Is there a sound that you hear in the word hat?
T.
Do you know what letter that is?
T.
And do you know where that letter will go?
Yes.
Okay, what box will it go and point
This
to it?
one.
Okay, go ahead and write it. Okay. Say the word again. Put in your finger in each box.
Hat.
Okay, there's another sound that you hear. And what letter is that?
H.
Do you know how to make an H?
Yes.
Okay,
Goes here.
good. And say that word again.
Hat.
Put your fingers in the boxes, please.
Hat.
Okay, is there another sound that you hear?
A.
Do you know what letter that is?
A.
Can you write letter A?
Yes.
Go ahead. Okay. And eventually, we move on. The student can just say the word and write the letters on his own. Okay? Boat.
Boat.
Can you write the letters that you hear in boat? Just go ahead and write. You don't even need to put your fingers in anymore.
Boat.
Good. So you heard all those sounds in boat. And I'm going to show you that there's also the letter A in the word boat. And we can move on to words that even have 5 sounds. Okay, so I'm going to change my question. Instead of asking what you hear, I'm going to ask what letters do you expect to hear in the word, okay, go ahead and listen, monster. What letters would you expect to see in the word monster?
Monster. M-O-N-S-R.
Okay, go ahead and write the letters that you hear in monster. Go ahead.
Monster.
Okay, so you heard all these sounds in the word monster, which is a great job. I'm going to go ahead and write in monst. There's a t sound and there's an E for monster. So as you can see, there's a lot of steps to get to the point where the student is able to write the sounds that he hears in words on his own. So those are all the steps and procedures that we need to go through to help students hear and record sounds in words.